Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily edit your iPhone camera control. So for doing this, just open camera on your iPhone, and here you can also, for sync, you can change your zoom. So how you can do it? So for example in photos, so just tap your finger here on 1x and just move it to the right side, sorry, to the left side, and here you can see that we successfully change our zoom. So this is the way how you can also change your zoom. Another thing you can also choose it's flash. So just tap on it. Here you can see auto. So it will control by it will automatic control, and you can also turn it on or turn off here. So another thing, you can turn on live photos on your iPhone or turn it off. And third option, it's timer. So here you can see it by default turned off. You can also choose 3 seconds. So after this time, it will automatically makes photo, and 10 seconds. So here you can see, just tap here, and here you will choose different, you will see different filters. So you can also choose it and just photo with these filters. So this is the way how you can control your iPhone camera. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.